Now it's time to twerk late. Let's get it. It's time for the twerk late. Let's go. It's time for the twerk late. Let's go.
I got some promise and pain, some throwing some trains that made me the way that I am. I promised mama today, if I find a way, I'm leaving the streets like a man.
What's up, y'all? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to do butterfly locks. Yes. Anyways, so the difference between regular locks, like the kind you see faux locks, and butterfly locks is that butterfly locks look a little bit more distressed, and some people really like that look. Some people like faux locks because they look clean and kind of crisp, but I'm a butterfly lock kind of girl, okay? I'm a butterfly lock kind of girl. I like it looking a little distressed, you know. It just fits the vibe sometimes, okay? It fits the vibe. And so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to do that today. So let's get into it. All right, so first off, what everybody always asks is, oh, what kind of hair do I use? I got you, okay? We are going to be using the Freetress Jazz Water 20-inch. Okay, the Jazz Water 20 inches in the color 2. And so last time when we did knotless box sprays, we used the color 1B. This is the color after 1B, okay? 1 is like the darkest, you know, black that you can get. Going up means you're moving away from black. So color 2 is kind of like an off black kind of color, and I really like color 2 because it really matches in with natural hair, because I'm pretty sure that no one's hair is jet black, and so when you get color 2 it looks a little bit more natural. So this is what we're going to be using today. Alright, so when you open up the package, you are going to see all your hair, and it kind of just looks like this. And so for me, for the style that we did today, we did hers a little bit shorter, so you don't really need 2 pieces for each kind of lock. So we're just going to take 1. And this is just how you prep the hair. So you can do this when your client comes, but personally I like to do everything ahead of time, so that when they come, all they got to do is sit and get their hair done. So you want to just take it, and you really just want to pull it apart, and you want to do this down the whole thing, and this is just really distressing it even more.
Because obviously, when you're doing butterfly locks, your hair is not going to look like this. You want it to look really distressed and pulled apart. That way it kind of gives off that kind of curly look and that more natural hair look.
So you just want to run your fingers through it, and yeah, just take your time with it. Yeah, you got all the time in the world, so just take your time with it and pull it apart. All right, so when you're done, your hair should be looking like this, and then this is just what you need. So once your hair looks like this, you can go ahead and get into it. All right, so other than your hair, obviously that was a must, but other than your hair, you are going to be needing a crochet hook, and you are going to be needing some kind of freeze spray. It doesn't have to be Got2B Glued, but I personally think Got2B Glued is the best of the best. So yeah, and this is just gonna be sprayed on the hair at the ends, just kind of seal it in, and yeah. And then your crochet hook is going to be used so that when you're putting it through the braid, you're just going to be able to latch it on and pull it through the hair. And then that way you're going to be able to start the top of your look. But yeah, those are the other 2 things that you really only need. If you didn't want to use hairspray, you can use hair glue to kind of glue the ends and kind of wrap it around. But personally, I just like to use hairspray. It does the job, okay? It does the job. Trust me, it'll do the job. So yeah, let's get into it.
Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how her hair first looked when she arrived. Alright, so because her hair was in mini dreadlocks, I couldn't actually part her hair, but instead we just took 3 or 4 pieces of her locks and we just stuck the crochet needle hook through it, and then we went in and grabbed the hair that we had previously distressed, and we just latched it onto the hook, and then we were just pulling it through her hair. So this is just kind of giving it that extra, you know, security in case it ever unwinds. It's still attached to her hair. Alright, so this is just me distressing her hair. Some pieces weren't as distressed as I wanted them to be, so I'm just pulling them and stretching them apart. But when you want to start your lock, you just want to get 1/2 of the curly hair and attach it with her natural hair, and you just want to take the other side and you just want to wrap it around the root, and you want to wrap it around 5 times really tight, and this is just going to give it that extra security. Then you want to slowly make your wraparounds looser and looser, and this will kind of give off the distressed look. Now this is where you're just going to get the butterfly effect. So you just want to split that one strand into two, and you just want to wrap one half of it around your thumb. It may take a little bit of detangling because it is a little kinky, but you just want to take one of it, wrap it around your thumb, and then you just want to wrap it over your thumb. And then you're going to join it back again with the other strand. And then you're just gonna proceed as you were, and you're just gonna continue on wrapping around the hair, and that little loop there is what gives it the butterfly name. Alright, so once more I'm gonna show you the butterfly effect. You're just gonna take half of that piece and you're gonna wrap it around your thumb, and then you're gonna wrap it over, connect it back with the other piece, and then continue on just like you've been doing. Alright, and now to finish it off, you're going to grab your freeze spray and you're just going to spray the ends. And then you're going to slowly wrap back up the lock. And this is just going to end up locking it together. And the small curls are just going to wrap around each other, which is why you don't really need to rubber band or hot water anything. It'll naturally lock itself. But you're just going to continue wrapping around and it'll end the lock on its own. Alright, so this is how the final product looked. They were short to medium length butterfly locks.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys decide to try out some butterfly locks for yourself, tag me in it. Let me see how they came out. I want to be seeing, I want to be seeing what they look like. And yeah, tell me what you guys want to see next time, and we'll see you later.
I got some promise and pain, some throwing some trains that made me the way that I am. I promised mama today, if I find a way, I'm leaving the streets like a man.